You're Gen Z. You scroll for hours on your phone anyway. But what if I told you that same phone could make you $100 a day without a job, no boss, and no experience? This is affiliate marketing, and it's not just for tech brothers or YouTubers anymore. Gen Z is turning clicks into cash, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's go.
Making money can feel impossible, especially when it seems like no matter how hard you work, you're always a step behind. It's even tougher when you scroll through social media and see others living large, showing off luxury cars, vacations, and shopping sprees. Meanwhile, you might be stuck juggling classes, a part-time job that barely covers your expenses, and a never-ending to-do list. Job postings want years of experience for entry-level pay, and it feels like you're running in place, never quite getting ahead. The old path, school, job, 40 years at a desk, doesn't work for everyone anymore. The world has changed, and so have our dreams. We want flexibility, freedom, and the chance to build something meaningful on our own terms, not just follow a script. Here's the twist. Your phone isn't just a distraction or a way to pass time. It can actually be your moneymaker, your gateway to new opportunities. You already know what's trending, how to create content people love, and how to connect with others online. The trick is turning that passion and creativity into real profit, not just likes and follows. Earning real income from your phone isn't just for influencers or celebrities. It's for anyone willing to learn and take action. Thousands of regular people, students, artists, gamers, are doing it right now, building side hustles and even full-time incomes. They work from anywhere, with no fancy degree or big investment, just a willingness to try something new. All it takes is some knowledge, a bit of creativity, and the willingness to start, even if you're a total beginner. So, what's the method that's changing the game? Affiliate marketing. It's a way to earn money by sharing products you genuinely love and use, helping others discover them too. You don't need to be famous, just authentic, curious, and ready to learn something new. Your phone is your tool, and the opportunity to earn is real and more accessible than ever. Let's break down how it works, step by step, so you can get started today. Affiliate marketing is simple. Just recommend products you genuinely love and use in your daily life, and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link. It's like getting rewarded for sharing your favorite finds with friends. You don't need to create your own products, handle shipping, or deal with customer service headaches. Just focus on sharing. All you have to do is share your honest opinion and your special affiliate link with your audience. You can talk about anything you're passionate about: fashion, snacks, gaming gear, art tools, or even niche hobbies. The affiliate marketing industry is worth billions of dollars, and you don't need a huge following or to be famous to get started. In fact, smaller, engaged communities often do even better because their followers trust their recommendations more. The startup cost? Almost nothing. If you have a phone and internet, you're ready to go. You can shoot videos, write posts, and share links, all from your pocket, anytime and anywhere. Anyone with passion, creativity, and a phone can start building a real business through affiliate marketing today. Ready to make your phone work for you? Here's how. Pick a niche you love: skincare, fitness, tech, whatever excites you. Find a product in that niche you genuinely use and like. Join an affiliate program, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or your favorite brand's site. Get your unique affiliate link. Create content with your phone, unboxings, tutorials, or quick reviews. Be yourself. Your personality is your superpower. Add a call to action. Check the link in my bio. Track your results, see what works, and keep posting. Consistency and authenticity will build trust and income. The biggest mistake most new creators make: selling way too hard, way too soon. Don't bombard your audience with constant ads or pushy sales messages. They'll just scroll right past you. Instead, follow the 80-20th rule. Make 80% of your content valuable, fun, or genuinely helpful, and only 20% about promotion or selling. Focus on building a real community. Talk to your followers, answer their questions, share tips, and show your authentic self. When you recommend something, do it like you're chatting with a friend. Make it feel like genuine advice, not a scripted sales pitch. Always focus on helping your audience solve their problems or reach their goals, and they'll trust you more. Put value first, sales second. That's the secret to building loyalty, trust, and real lasting income. Don't wait for the perfect moment or perfect plan. Start today, even if it feels a little scary. Pick a niche you care about, find a product you believe in, and make your very first post. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just get started, learn as you go, and improve over time. Your future self will thank you for taking action now and believing in your journey.